Now let's take the second question which appeared in CAT 2019 with respect to percentage chapter. Now what is the question saying? The question says that Meena scores 40% in an examination, and after the review, even though her score is increased by 50% over the earlier 40%, she fails by 35 marks. So even after the review, when the score was increased by 50%, she fails by 35 marks. If her post-review score, which means after the review, the score is further increased by 20% of itself, then she will have 7 marks more than the passing mark. The percentage score needed for passing the examination. So what percent is being required to pass the examination is the question that is being asked to us. Okay, so how do you start with such kind of problem? Always start with a number line approach, because it will be easier to plot the total marks, passing marks, and eventually reach to our answer. So this number line is nothing but the total marks that she need to score to pass the examination. Not pass, the maximum marks for the examination is the entire number line, right? Passing mark will lie somewhere on the number line. So see, let's understand. Meena scores 40% of the marks in an examination, which means out of the total marks, she scores 40%. So 40% of the total is what she is scoring, and total is this entire number line. After the review, even though her score is increased by 50% of the 40%. Okay, so you can say this is 40. What is 50% of 40? Which is nothing but 20%. Correct? Which means his 40% becomes plus 20%. So his score becomes what now? If I add 20% to that, what will be the new percentage? That will be nothing but 60%. Okay, so she scored 60% after the revaluation. So earlier she scored 40% of the maximum marks, total marks, then she scored 60% of the total marks. What happened but then as well? She fails by 35 marks. So I don't know what is the passing mark. This will obviously be ahead of this. But still she fails by 35 marks. So I will say what this range from 60% to this is nothing but 35 marks. What is a percentage here? I don't know, but I know this is nothing but the value. Okay, the value that is being given to me from 60% to the passing mark, the value is 35 marks that is given to me. What else after that? In her post review score is increased by 20%. So she again put this reval score for the review, and it increased by 20%, which means what? Now what do you understand from this? Let's decode this. This was 60% of the total was her reval score. Now this further increased by 20%. Okay, so reval, after that again one more review. What is 20% of 60, which is nothing but 12, which means whatever was this 60% was increased by further 12%. If 60% is increased by 12%, what will that turn out to be now? Total, what will it be? 60 plus 12. What is 60 plus 12? That is nothing but 60 plus 12, that is nothing but 72%. Okay, which means she scored 72% of the total marks, because of which what happens, she will have 7 marks more than the passing mark. So whatever was the passing mark, here is a line of the passing mark, this is my passing mark, she scored 7 marks more than the passing mark. So if I have to draw it, this in terms of value is nothing but 7 marks more, and this is also my value. Now if you compare this with percentage, just compare this with percentage and see what can you see it here. So this is 72, correct, and this is 60, correct, this 72 and 60. So what will be this percent? Can you tell me what will be this percent? This will be nothing but 12%, because one is 72 and one is 60, so this will be 12%. On 12% as a percentage, what is the value that you have? 35 plus 7. If you can check it here, 35 plus 7 is the value, which means whatever is my total marks, let that total marks be x, and 12% of that will nothing be but my 35 plus 7, which is nothing but 42. So I will come to know what is total marks. Then I'll come to know what is passing mark as well. And I'll know passing mark is what percentage of the total mark. So let's start. Quite simple. This is 6 2s are 12, 6 7s are 42, 7 divided by 2, 3.5. X is equals to what? 350. If 350 is the total marks, what will you say now? She scored 60% plus 35. You can check it as 60% plus 35 out of 350. If I write it here, okay, what will be 60% of this? 60% only plus 35. 35 is nothing but 10%. Okay, so she scored what? 70%, because she scored, if you can understand, 60% plus 35. Okay, you can take out the value here as well, but no need. She scored 60%, okay, plus 35. 35 is nothing but 10% of this, right? If you can understand, 35 is nothing but 10% of this. So 60% plus 10%, the answer is nothing but 70%, and that will be your answer. Option number D would have been the answer to this question. Okay, so anytime they ask you that passing mark is given and in terms of percentage, and total marks is compared with the passing marks, and you get lesser than passing mark, you get more than passing mark, and you are being asked to compute the percentage in terms of value. So you get some percentage and then you get some value for it. You compare the percentage with the value. You get the total marks, and then eventually what is being asked in the question, you'll always reach to that as a solution.